Alright, so I got something in the mail today. Let's see what it is. Alright. Alright, after surprisingly struggling for a while, finally got it out. W power. Alright. That's what it is. Let me show you guys. So it's actually a spoiler. Ooh, it's actually wrapped up in a cloth. Alright, here it is. This thing right here. Looking a little different. Looking kind of different from what I expected. Man, this is like a bomb. Why is it wrapped up so much? Okay, here it is. Alright, here it is. Dang. I expected this thing to be a little bigger, not gonna lie. But, whatever. How would it look if I put it on right now? Kind of tacky. Oh, I almost missed it. Ooh, some stickers. No way, I got some stickers. And, it's the tape. Yeah. W power adhesion. Yeah. Alright. I am reading the instructions. Said I have to put some adhesion promoter, whatever this is. I don't even know what adhesion promoter is. Gotta rub it over here. Hope this works. Alright. Now I gotta put on some tape. Tape right here. Just stick it on here, I think. Oh, that's strong. That's strong. Alright, I gotta reattempt this. Same as before, just stick this on here. Oh, little by little, you're supposed to peel it off little by little. So how's this supposed to go though? Alright, let me retry it, or let me try to do this again. Man, I suck at this. This thing's probably gonna go flying off my car on the freeway, going 90 miles per hour into another guy's windshield. Alright guys, I did it. So I put it on here. So I took a different approach to this. Instead of taking the red thing off right away, I just left a little piece sticking out over here and I just pulled it. I'm talking about the tape. I just pulled the paper, the plastic on the tape. Yeah. So if I sound a little different, I'm just gotta get used to these videos again. I haven't made one in a while.